One of the biggest things is really just the continual discussion and concerns around user adoption. And so what do you see as some of the big trends in improving user adoptions for sales teams within Salesforce during 2016 and beyond?
I think from a Salesforce standpoint, you're seeing some of the new product development come out, and it really meshes with what we're doing at Map Anything. And it's around user adoption. It's around the user interface and making those interfaces easier to use. And, at the end of the day, when you make something easier to use, you're just going to improve adoption, which is good for end users, good for the company, and good for Salesforce and the partner ecosystem.
And so specifically in your case, Map Anything, I've seen your solution used many different ways, but particularly on a sales field team, an outside team, which has always been a bigger challenge for me, and we found at Basadi for the outside sales team to adopt Salesforce. Of course, Salesforce One has helped incredibly and other things, but for the longest time, inside guys got it right away, outside teams had a tougher time. Well, in your space, do you see Map Anything actually increasing user adoption and making them want to use the system more?
Yeah, and what we're doing is giving an alternative interface and access to information for sales teams that are out in the field. And what we can do is literally drill down into the specific information, visualize, and give them that account, contact, data, consumption, whatever that business need is at their fingertips. And then we can take that a step further at Map Anything and allow them to interact with that data and write back to Salesforce in a very simple and easy to use Map Anything interface. So you can record notes, next steps, revise close dates, and the things like that are very easy to access from the Map Anything user interface, which is improving every day as well.
And so what are you hearing from those, particularly the outside teams? What do they want out of the mobile?
Well, what they want is the information that is important to them that they don't have to go searching for, right? So with our predefined queries, our predefined views of that customer data, contact data, consumption data, whatever is in Salesforce or outside of Salesforce for that matter, we can give them that view, a predefined view at their fingertips.